about when I was growing up. Man, when I was growing up, I used to be bad as hell. I used to do bullshit motherfuckers couldn't even believe I was doing. Like, I went to class, I said, left school,
hey. Alright, just in case y'all didn't know, how I do it is I write their names down. I ain't wrote them down yet. C-H-A-T. And, who's going against Megan? M-E-G-A-N. Don't laugh at my handwriting. Don't laugh at how I spell. All I do is put their names on this little piece of paper. I do a ghetto style over here, and I write marks every time I hear something, from cadence to flow to similes, metaphors to lyrics to how the beat flow, how you rap with the beat, how your cadence is with the beat, everything. I put a little increments of everything, and I just listen. And whenever something just kind of stands out, I'll put a dot down, okay? Right now, the beat stood out, so I'm going to put a dot down by a little chat. So we want to keep going. Hey, the flow's good. Hey. She is riding the shit out of the beat. That's one thing about Lil Chat, man. She come from a 3-cent mafia crew, boy. She can ride a beat. So she get a dot for that one, boy. And she talking about how bad she was, man. It's tough.
Years old, but I look 19. Everywhere I go, is some hoes trying to fight us. Won't LA girl hikers and them bitches didn't like us. Yeah, girl, I was thick in the bitch. Just age of 13, first time I put the lick. Now, old nigga and he tried to run game, but I used him for his car and I broke him for his chain. Lying, I went to class, I said I left school early. Pop assets, now I want a virgin. Never fuck with a nigga unless I got the truant. Mama always said I was a bad influence.
Yeah, this shit hard, yo. Hey, I'm a bad influence. Hey. Hey, order, meal, salt, deal. Hey, yeah. Get it, go. Get it, chat. Get it, chat. Chat killing this shit. Megan better come hard, yo. Hey. This is a perfect example of how the beat and your flow can take you far. She got a lot of dots just off the beat and flow, kid. It doesn't stop, you know what I'm saying? It's tough. Let's do it. That's a bad influence. Hey. That's a bad influence. Hey. That might be my intro to my videos, yo. Hey. Oh, that shit is hard as shit, yo. It didn't stop. Oh.
When did you decide to let them ruin you? They're calling you names that hurt your little soft spots deep inside. Well, so what? That's how it is. So I want to know right now, in this moment, who you are.
I'm the urban experience, where we do things the urban way.